with a new blog, a little upgrade that we're gonna do on the hoe. Been driving it for a very, very long time when I do drive it, and it has like this small exhaust that just obviously it's annoying to drive. You're driving and it's just ringing in your ears. Te está sonando en las orejas el muffler. So lo que vamos a hacer, vamos a ir a que pongan otro para que no esté tan ruidoso. I'm gonna go to a muffler shop right now so they could install a new exhaust on it, because it rings in your ear for a long period of time. Let me see if you guys can hear it. See, it's like very, very throwy. So yeah, we're gonna go and install a new one. A quieter one, not a louder one. So and my truck is dirty. I'm gonna come back and wash it, but yeah, let me take you along with me and let's go get this exhaust. Made it to the shop, as you can see in the back of us. Hopefully we're gonna get copyrighted for that music that we have at the back. So let's try to do this as brief as possible. Let's go. Ahorita poner la troca en el aire y vamos a ver dónde le vamos a poner el muffler ahorita. Let's be brief porque otra vez we don't want to get copyrighted, ¿ah? Ahí tenemos la pinche mamalona. We had a MagnaFlow Street Performance, I believe, but this is just loud as fuck. Y como I did this because when I welded the cross member, I needed the clearance. So now we're gonna go with a cherry bomb, I think it is called, or a glass pipe. I'm gonna put it there so it makes it higher. Take the sauce a lot further back and dump it at the bottom so you don't get the echoiness when we're driving long distance. And yeah, you could tell that I haven't drove it in a very long time, huh? So ahorita le damos la. We're gonna have to bending the pipes. Look, he even does 2-piece wheels. I guess the barrel was changed out and he sealed them. What I'm assuming is silicone. Now we're fitting up the exhaust pipe to where the new location is gonna be at. So my setup looks like. So ahorita vemos qué tan lejos le avanzamos.
Facing down?
Yeah. At a down, pero if you could cut it like in an angle. Does that make any sense?
Yeah.
Just so no levante el polvo, but yet.
Como eso, pues.
Yeah. So ahorita anda doblándole, trying to get as much footage as I can without getting copyrighted. Ese no se pone shy. Back. Let's see. Güero. Al 100, my boys. That should be enough from there. There's tear down compared to what it was right here in the middle. The two fucking escapes. So whenever you're driving, all you hear is that ringing fucking tone. And ahorita we put it on not too loud, but loud enough so it doesn't sound like a fucking Honda. For sure. Ahorita le damos. It's gonna weld a hanger that goes from here to the top of this exhaust. But I think it just put a little bit of it. This would be perfect. Other than that, I get a little quiet, not so loud. Sounds pretty fucking good to me. Ahí quedó. La mamalona, quiet. No more fucking loud ass noise. And I gotta wash it. This is all dirt. So, le voy a dar una lavada. And we call it a day. So, yo creo que ya más a ratillo. So, I'll pick up the camera then. So, there it is. All clean. It took a little bit longer than I thought. It was dirty as hell. But trying out this new soap works miracles. I got this Car Guys watermelon. Sure works good. My foam cannon. Got it pretty much done. And now we're gonna turn it on. Since now I could turn it on and not wake up the neighbors, it works out better. So let's do just that. Quiet. So you can still hear a little bit. As you can see, si se ve más o menos. Back panel. I don't know if I showed it. There it is. Can hear it a little bit. So comment below if you think that should I keep it like that or make it louder, but I don't think I'm gonna go louder, honestly. I like how it sounds. It's not too loud, not too exaggerated. So let's park it. Only 135,000 miles. Let's park it where it goes. Air it out. Not be able to see shit back there. Hopefully I don't hit my other cars. So let me pick it up right now. Yeah. Let's air it out and then I'll give it a couple of rubs. Rubbing up. Ahorita le acelero un poquito el pedal. Up a little bit. Let's rub it up a little bit. Not too shabby. The compressors.